माझी लाडाची लाडाची ग आवड हिला चंद्राची चंद्राची ग
मी श्रीदेवी पुणेकरांना माझा नमस्कार.
अप्सरा जशी इंद्राची इंद्राची ग.
After 15 years, it's not a small thing, and it is a big thing for me. And coming back and all the responsibility on Gauri, so I was really really happy. बहुत excited हूँ और यही सोच रही हूँ how I mean लोग कैसे इसको I mean appreciate करेंगे, मतलब कैसे receive करेंगे, इसी में लगी हुई मैं.
ये स्टोरी पहले आई क्योंकि उस टाइम मालूम नहीं था कि ये काम कर रही है नहीं कर रही है, और स्टोरी लिखने के बाद ये मैजिक हो गया और ये शशि बन गई, तो बहुत लक की बात है. ये कैसे हुआ? मैजिकली ही हुआ एक्चुअली. कुछ उन्होंने भी प्लान नहीं किया था कमबैक का, मैंने नहीं प्लान किया था कि ये करेंगी रोल, तो हो गया.
As a mother, as a woman, I could relate to the character. बस ये फिल्म सबके लिए है, not just a hero. I mean, it's a lady के ऊपर center नहीं. It's for the family, and for the children, husband. I mean, mother-in-law. You know, it's all. Everybody can see this film, and everybody can relate to the character. ये फिल्म सिर्फ लैंग्वेज के ऊपर नहीं है, ये इंसान की फीलिंग्स के ऊपर है. जैसे वो भावनाओं को कैसे ख्याल रखना, तो उसके ऊपर भी आधार है ये सबसे.
अरे वो अमेरिका है, तुम अंग्रेजी भी ठीक से नहीं जानती ना.
My wife, she was born to make laddu.
Thank you everyone for coming here. I'm so happy I can see some people, almost everyone that I know. Very happy to have you here. And everything I am today is because of Pune, my schooling, my friends, my family, my aunts, my maushis, my neighbors. And this is very special screening. This is a very very special screening for me, and I won't take much of your time. I'll call the producer Balki, my husband.
Thank you all. I also won't take so much of your time. I'll call the only person you come here to meet besides this lady, Sridevi.
Good evening, everybody. I'm extremely happy to be here. This film is really very close to my heart. And of course, even Pune, after shooting for English, I have lots of memories. And please, I hope and pray you all enjoy the movie. Thank you. Seeing the reaction of yours, definitely I will never stop working. It's a really special movie. There are so many emotions tied up with this, because my children had always seen me on television. This is the first time they're watching their mother on big screen with a live audience. You know, it's a really great feeling looking at their expression, and it's really amazing.
So what was their reaction?
Their reaction, like they were watching the screen and they keep looking at me.
We saw a film today in the year 2012 which had no item song, no kissing scene, no double meaning joke, no violence,
no hero,
and no hero. And yet it was so entertaining. Now you can give a big round of applause for that.
Just hope lots and lots of people enter the theatre and go out happily.
It was too good. It was too natural. We were not knowing आजू बाजू में कौन बैठा है क्या. It was too good.
I get to see more people's reaction and the audience and the press. It's really amazing.
Amazing movie. We could correlate ourselves with the movie.
It's
fabulous comeback.
When I see the reaction, so all the tiredness goes away and you're more energetic. I mean, like, you know, and that is what we work for.
It's going to be a super hit movie. I've been born and brought up here, studied here. Half my life I've been here, so that's the biggest connection.
Pune would match Toronto and Bombay for sure, because the film is based in Pune. Gauri, the director of the film, is a Pune girl. She's been born and brought up here, and I'm sure she also will have enough followers, and Pune will lap up the film like their own. I mean, it's something which has been created by a person living here, brought up here, born here, and I'm sure they'll have far more. They will be far more receptive to this film than what Toronto was or Bombay was. This is my personal feeling.
Yeah, hope you enjoy the film. And I'm saying this on behalf of Hope Productions.